First off, let's create a new layer above the word scares. So stippling is a form of shading using just dots. So to give you an example, what it's like is to create the dark tones, you have lots of dots close together and you're constantly tapping to create those, and then to make those tones lighter you start making less dots and spreading them out. And as you can see, you can get this dark to light tone, but as you can see in this method, it's a lot of repetitive tapping on the screen. And as I'm always looking for an easier way of doing things, let's just clear that. I've created a brush for you called a stippling brush. So what we can do is just run the brush up and down and it will create loads of dots for us.